What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is an internet-based resource that provides the ability to share your processing resources and data with computers and other devices on demand. Cloud computing uses remote servers on the internet to manage, store data, transfer files, and process data instead of using your own personal computers. For example, you and your friends go overseas to Germany to sightsee and take part in the festivities of the holidays. With it being the 21st century, everyone either has a cell phone or digital camera to document and take pictures so they can remember their moments. With cloud computing, you can create an account online, upload, store, and manage your pictures in real time, and share them instantly with your family back home in the US. It also gives them the option to download, transfer the pictures of their liking to their desktop computer for later printing. There are many types of cloud computing. For example, infrastructure, platform, and software. Let's take a quick look into infrastructure. Infrastructure allows the consumer or the end user the capability to open and run different software, which can include the operating systems and applications. The end user or consumer doesn't necessarily control the infrastructure of the cloud physically, but they have control over the OS, storage, application, and maybe some limited control over selecting networking components. For example, Google Docs. Google Docs allows dual interaction between one or two end users at the same time. Okay, now let's take a look at platform. Platform gives the end user or consumer control over the opened application and hosting environment configurations. It gives application functionality services such as application runtime, storage, and integration for those applications that are written for pre-specified deployment framework. Finally, software. As software, the consumer or end user can use the application running on a provided cloud service infrastructure. They can access the applications from various client devices through a web browser, such as web-based email, like Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail. You do not manage or control the cloud service, such as the network, servers, OS, or even the storage. Instead, it's controlled by the provider. There's a benefit to that feature. It allows for less space used on your personal computer. But there's also a drawback to that same service. As a software, you have to have a reliable internet connection to access not only the applications, but to access the service in general.
Benefits of cloud computing. Many cloud storage services offer free storage when using their service. For example, Google Drive offers 15 gigabytes of free storage just for using the Google Drive service. Amazon Cloud Drive offers free unlimited photo storage and 5 gigabytes of general storage when subscribing to Amazon Prime. These services also offer subscriptions with additional options for storage. Google Drive offers plans for 100 gigabytes for $1.99 a month or 1 terabyte for $9.99 a month. Amazon Cloud Drive offers unlimited storage for $59.99 a year. The prices for physical storage can vary widely, ranging from around $50 for a 1 terabyte hard disk drive or HDD to around $300 for a 1 terabyte solid state drive or SSD. While SSDs are becoming a more popular option in personal computing, their high costs make it difficult to justify purchasing a large drive. In comparison, a user could purchase a 128 gigabyte SSD for around $100 and use a cloud storage to supplement their decreased hard drive space while maintaining the benefits of the increased speed of an SSD. Amazon has led the way in affordable and accessible cloud storage. They were the first large-scale provider to offer unlimited storage. This allows their subscribers to upload an unlimited number of files, documents, pictures, and videos. Uploading may be done from multiple types of devices, including personal computers or PCs, tablets, smartphones, and some other devices. Some companies are offering backup services in case of a hard drive failure, if your computer is stolen or damaged in some way. These services allow you to save the entire contents of your computer onto the cloud. Services like CrashPlan offer continuous file backup. They have the ability to check for new files every 15 minutes. This ensures that your most recent and important documents will be saved. Not all services offer backup services this often. It is usually a daily or weekly occurrence. Services such as Amazon Cloud Drive allow you to save files to the cloud from one device and retrieve them from another immediately. Google Docs is an amazing resource for anyone looking to co-author a document. Multiple users can create and edit a document simultaneously in real time. This is useful for students to collaborate on a paper together, or for associates in a company to make the final tweaks on a document prior to a presentation. Disadvantages of cloud computing. One of the most famous security breaches regarding a cloud service was the iCloud leak of celebrity photos on August 31, 2014. Hackers were able to take advantage in the iCloud Application Program Interface, or API, which allowed them to make unlimited attempts at guessing the target's password, otherwise known as a brute force attack. One of the most common technical difficulties that one may have while trying to access their storage is either a lack of stable internet connection or a lack of connection from the cloud service provider. In either instance, this would render the user unable to access any of the information they have saved in their cloud storage. Cloud computing and education. Services such as Amazon's Kindle and Barnes & Noble's Nook have made access to media infinitely easier to get. Amazon has an entire library of books that cost either nothing or nearly nothing to purchase. Amazon also offers the ability to rent textbooks and have them sent directly to the device of your choice. The textbook for this course, Computing Essentials 2015, new, is $166.68 on Amazon.com. I rented the book from Amazon for $56.50 and had it conveniently delivered to my iPad right away. Once the class is over, the book will be deleted from my Kindle application automatically by Amazon. This makes it easier and more affordable for all types of students. Cloud computing also offers students with non-traditional schedules or home lives to reap the benefits of going to college, i.e., full-time employees, parents, and military members. There are many pros and cons to cloud computing, but it definitely appears that the pros outweigh the cons. It's safe to say that cloud computing will remain a powerful resource, not only for our future, but for the future generations to come.